Welcome to session 3 of your science revision plan. Today we're looking at the first topic in physics, which is the particle model. You've got 3 activities to do today. First of all, you're going to draw and label the heating curve of a block of ice. You need to include particle diagrams and a full description of each state. So think about that in terms of energy, movement and the arrangement of the particles. You need to be using the correct terms for the changes of state. You've got all the keywords there, and in terms of the graph, that is the sketch. So we should have time on the x-axis, and you've got temperature on the y-axis, measured in degrees centigrade. If you start at -20, our block of ice, and then you're just going to sketch the graph starting from that point, and you need to be annotating as much as possible your particular graph on that activity. Second activity is to describe the method for calculating the density of an irregular shape, and you need to remember to include the formula of how you'd go about doing that. So your keywords, you need to be talking about the volume, mass, displacement and eureka count. And then finally, your third activity is to describe the effect of heating a gas. Your keywords there are random and particles. You need to complete this work in your blue revision book, and you need to bring that work to your next science lesson where your science teacher will be checking. So question 4, nice straightforward one. You're going to describe the particles in a solid, liquid and gas state. So the keywords really are all about energy, which relates to the movement, which then relates to the arrangement of those particles. Question 5, I'd like you to define internal energy. And the keywords there are kinetic and potential. What does that all mean? And then the final question on this session, question number 6, describe how you could calculate specific latent heat of a material. So your keywords here are fusion, vaporization and mass.